Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. I'm actually going to do a Boxycharm unboxing on my channel today. And if you're not familiar with what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box. And it usually comes with 5 items that are usually full-sized and well over the price of the whole box. So, let's get started. It is Caribbean Queen. Oh, okay. First thing I see is a 3-piece brush set. Powder brush. Okay. And then a precision foundation brush. And then a tapered highlighter. Do the highlight. Okay. Second item. Ooh. False lashes. What brand is this? Baddington Lashes. I've actually never heard of them, but I'll try them out. Then next we've got this, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Oh my god, it's so good. It smells like coconut pina colada and summertime. Okay. What is it, like a body? Fast absorbing body cream. A Ofra liquid lipstick. In the color Verona. Nice. That's a good shade. I'm sure I'm butchering that. Looks like an eyeliner, but it's brown. And then the last thing is this eyeshadow palette. The colors. Let's see, what is the brand on this? Alamar Cosmetics, which is retail for $28. The Bum Bum Cream, I'm not sure. I don't think it's full size, but it's $10 for this. And then the 3-piece brush set was $42. Okay. There'll be some good brushes. And let's see, the eyeliner is waterproof. It retails for $5. And the Ofra lipstick retails for $21. And Ofra has good liquid lipsticks because I have one. It's Miami Fever? Miami Heat? I don't know. Miami Fever, I think. And so, I mean, it's 21 bucks a month and you've already, stuff in it's well over $21. So anyway, I'm going to check this palette out. Let me get my hair up out of my brush that I have here. I don't know what brand it is because it was a gift. It came in a gift set one Christmas. I have no idea what it is. Just any blending brush that you got will work just fine. I'm going to go into this color here. It's called Cocoa Taxi. Okay. This color's blending really good. Just taking it in the crease all the way over, and all the way out to the end here. I'm gonna get too crazy because I've already got my foundation on, and I don't want to. Let's go back in over here. In with a Morphe MC2 brush, which is also a smaller blending brush. I'm going to pick up this color, which is Tropico. I'm sure I'm not saying that right, but whatever. Just going to do the outer corner here. Kind of blend it. And when most of the stuff is off the brush, then I'll kind of take it further into the crease, but not all the way. Not all the way. Why does it look brown here? And did I use a brush that wouldn't clean? Okay. Let's go back in with that red color. I'll go back in with that original one that had the orange and just kind of soften up the lines, because you don't want to have harsh lines. I know people say that all the time. It's like so annoying, but it's so true. So far the colors in this palette are very pigmented and they blend very well. Nice. V. Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm right up in the camera. Ooh. Got a little wild right here. Because then I'll get everywhere. Fall out. Okay. I kind of want to do this gold color. But I also, these two. It is from Eco Tools. I don't know. It's really old, but I really like it. So I'm just going to dip that in. Alright, first I'm just going to dab it on my eyes before I try to use some... Oh, hey, I may not need no Mac Fix Plus. That's a tongue twister. Oh, that's a good color. That is a pretty blue. That's a good shadow. Yas! Collages. Okay. It really... Okay. Well, let me go in. I'm going to try some of that gold color. Let's just get crazy. Might as well try them out. Some of this gold right here. I just want to see what it's going to do. Okay. Gonna have my eyes looking like a peacock, baby. Oh, yeah. Just gonna dot that right there just to kind of transition it into the brownish red color. So, just gonna do the very gently. It's supposed to be waterproof, so I'm gonna try it in my waterline. It's not very dark. Okay, here we go. Now I got some more color coming off. Whoo, don't poke yourself in the eyeball. Almost did. Again, I'm just trying it out. I'm going to do this cranberry color. It's called Guantam... No, not even going to try it. I'm going to butcher it. So I'm going to take this color that kind of looks like cranberry. This brush is from that set that was a gift. I have no idea what brand it was. Had it a couple years ago for Christmas from my stepdaughter. And they work really good. She probably got it somewhere like Target or something like that. Okay. Put a little mascara on. I'm just using Lash Paradise. If you guys haven't tried it, it's such a good drugstore mascara. It It works so good. I will be trying them out. Just not today. Okay? Okay. Alright, now I'm going to do my brows. I am out of my brow pencil, so I'm taking my Tarte palette. I don't know which palette this is. Clay Play. I got this for Christmas last year too. But it's got one shade here. Oh, this shade is really, it's called Dunes. It's perfect for my eyebrows. So you can use powder, you can use pencil, you can use both. It doesn't matter as long as it gets the job done and you like the results. Sorry, my hand's in the way, but I don't go too wild with it. Don't go. I can't talk and do my brows at the same time because I'm going to fuck around, make a crazy line. I ain't got faces done except for I need some blush. Blush. Alright, I'm going to use one. Now let's take the highlighter brush and try the highlighter. Which highlighter do I want to use? I think I'm going to use the Mary Luminizer. I've got a crap ton of highlighters, but oldie but a goodie. Okay. Let's get that highlight popping. Highlight the nose and I like. Okay, so tried everything out except for the liquid lip. So let's see what this is about. I don't know if it'll match with this palette, but it might. Oh. Feels good. It doesn't feel very drying. Okay. Ooh. Okay, first of all, look at this. Short hair problems. And I've got that sculpting stuff in it, so then it makes it kind of stiff. So, anyway, that is the end of this video. And the palette. Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. This palette is great. Totally worth it. I did have a broken shade. I don't appreciate that, but it's okay. It's still usable. This Bum Bum cream, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I wish y'all could smell this. Smells so good. Brush sets. The foundation one, I probably will use it for something else. The highlighter, it's perfect. It's fine. The duo fiber, I don't know. I've had duo fiber brushes before. It's $42, so okay. Lipstick, which is a nice color. It ended up going pretty good with this eye look. And, of course, the lashes I'm not going to try, but I will eventually try them and let y'all know what I think about it. Close this video. Thank you for watching. Sorry it's kind of spastic. It's my first kind of video to do, so I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you have a great weekend. If I even upload this today, it may be the middle of next week. And yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hang out with me. Bye.